Here you can see all the payment proof of the people are getting every single moment. Here you can see time, system, and payment amount, and how they are growing their income. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Master YouTube channel, where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to promote CPA offers. To promote that CPA offer, we are going to use this traffic method, which has 2.6 million monthly views. Here you can see how much it's growing every single month. People are staying over 9 minutes in this website. The majority of the traffic in this site is coming from South Africa. Don't worry guys, if this is not in tier 1 country, but we have different offers to promote exactly within this country. Here you can see age group of this site, and here you can see 56% of male and 43% of female are visiting this site. Before moving to the actual method, I want to talk about Super Funnel Hero system. It is a system which I'm using currently to make my full-time income, and just like me and you, over 25,000 people have joined this system and making money every single day. If you join through the link in the description, you will get $5,215 of bonus in this system. Over 25,000 action takers, and the price of this system is very low. It just costs $7 to start, and if you spend $7, you will get $5,215 of bonus. Here you can see the creator of this system, Goes Wings. He is a seven-figure internet marketer since 2019, and this system has made over $1 million to him within 2 years. You will get $27 of t-shirt for free as a bonus. Here you can see lifetime access and updates. Here are some testimonials of the people who are using this system and making money online. Here you can see all the different bonuses you are getting. The super funnel, the killer follow-up. These are some of the advanced marketing techniques you are getting absolutely for free. Here you can see some of the payment proofs since it started. All the question and answers if you want to learn more about this system. Today we are going to promote CPA offers. Here you can see I'm in CPA grip. Let's go to offers, my offers. Because the traffic is coming from South Africa, we are going to search for South Africa. Let's find a winning product which is uh, qualified for both male and female. Here you can see the get iPhone 13 Pro now. If someone click the link you are sharing and submit their PIN number, you will get $2.05. We have the good amount of traffic from South Africa, so we are going to promote this product or this CPA offer. You can download image from here. This is the link. We are going to copy it. Let's create a certain link. Paste your ID. Next. This is the link we are going to promote. Let's go to the actual method. This site is called adsafrica.co.za. Here you can see all the listings. Let's click here, post an ad. Select vehicle for sale and electronics. Next, we can select any of the local area. We don't need to search for anything. Write anything catchy, eye-catching. Here you give description, type of sale, price 0. You can give your email. Phone number is not necessary, but you have to give your name and email address. Let's post the ad. Ad has been successfully posted. We can find here. Let's see how it looks like. No photo. I haven't posted a photo. You can create an account here. You can Like, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to join this super funnel system, maximum income with a proven system.